Hi everybody, Bridget here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very special Anglo-Indian dish, that is an oxtail stew. I know it's everyone's favorite and it goes well with bread or even with hoppers. So just let's get started without further ado. So you need like 1 kilo of oxtail and then some vegetable like chopped carrot and chopped potatoes. Then you need tomatoes, onions, ginger garlic, some mint, green chilies, and of course coconut milk or coconut paste if you like, and 2 tablespoons of flour. So now you cook the oxtail together with the pepper, corns, green chilies, onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, salt, cinnamon, cloves, mint and coconut in sufficient water till the oxtail is tender. Then at this stage you add the vegetables, the potatoes and carrots and your coconut milk. Okay, you still need to cook till your oxtail is very tender. So just when you feel that the oxtail is tender and you have enough of soup in your stew, this is where you make a thin paste of flour with about a quarter cup of water, and you mix it into the stew. So you just like simmer for just a few minutes more till the stew gets thick, and then you could just switch off once you know that your stew has thickened. So you could just let the stew remain for some time covered to draw in all the flavors, and then your oxtail stew is ready. So if you like this video, please like and share it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Anglo-Indian recipes that I would be posting on and off. Thanks so much. Bye.